So let's do some trading. We are about to open in 30 seconds. So current balance is 13 plus. So let's come here and this is the balance. Let's put it to 0. So let's withdraw 13k and start trading. So we just opened. It's running for the buy side. Let's do the NQ today. Let's put some 10k here. Target is lows. So 50k, so we can do 5 shots. We have 11,000 here. So we are 1 minute into the opening. Okay, so let's push it a little bit. So 5k, back something. To break even. Okay, back something. So we have 5. 10. Let's push it. There's a consequent encroachment here. Okay. There. Almost there. Let's see. Push it. So 10k. Great. Okay. 11,000. Should stop, but let's think it has some more room. Let's play with these profits. Going overboard here. So stop needs to be somewhere around here. Need to release some lots. There, 10,000. So the XY is pumping higher. Both are going down. So there's ES trying to push upwards. While NQ is dismantling. I think this will turn. Okay, let's go to the upper. Take this buy side liquidity. See if you want to text this one. Back something. Okay. Mm-hmm. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 minutes. Let's see if it wants to go run lower. So there's SMT here. So might give some more juice from the downside. 15. Might want to go above this. There. The XO might go lower. There's this volume imbalance there. And this is pushing higher. There's buy side above these wicks. Also, see how it pushes. Okay. 65, 15. There, to back some of this. And then 5 in the back. Okay. 16,000. Keep on buying. Let's risk the 10K. There. Okay, great. Right. So there's buy side above here. Okay, this is starting to pump. There, to finish. Let's go, baby. There. So it's not cooperating, so just bag some of this. OT, sort block. So there. No, it's not going. To drop this, moving lower. Keeping this buy side intact for later. So it's already too long on the trade. There. Let's take some over there, some here, and the rest above here. If it reaches there. Okay. So let's wait. So it's roughly a 10 handle, 15 handle stop. With a 12 handle profit. Not liking. Already below equity. Yeah. Once stopped out. So 5K. There again. Level the equity. back to original. $20K above there, $50K. Reshaping the equity. Okay, 40. $45. So let's see the drop. For the drop. So some side liquidities over there. We are getting stopped out. Oh, by a tick. So nice placement. Okay. There. Okay. Put equity back to initial balance. Let's wait for it to push. Back a few dollars, so equity account balance back to 50. Okay, sell side there is pushing hard. So it's for the 7K there, 58. Stress for the push. Sell here and there. He has not achieved the target yet, so this might go lower. So 48. Let's put some in the bag there. Can buy more. Cannot buy more. Risk is 10K. Nah, we'll abort this. Don't like it. Should be moving lower. TXY is still pushing. Okay. Might go lower now. So stop is now 791. Okay, let's back some for the 10K profit, and then we call it a day. I've been there already with around 65,000. So let's see if we can have this pushing lower for a push. Bagging, I think this might be turning in no time, so 955. Okay, it will turn now. 55, let's put the 58 macro there. Okay, it's already turning. buy and get it above here for a 5k premium. Nice. Now it will push there, bag some profits, wait for the push. Let's risk 5k on this one. There. Pivot, potential pivot. No, it will not go. Okay. Buying these stops. $58 in profit. Expecting the push. Expected to push it a little bit above. There. There. Stop to break even. Buy some more. Well, 1,000. Risk is now 5k. With 14 lots. So we have buy side. This is IO Feds. What is concerning me is this rounded bottom with the potential SMT divergence. So let's put it to 10k. Let's buy this stop. It's going lower the same. Projection. So fulcrum point. Okay. Let's wait until it arrives. 14,759. So let's put it at 65. This goes to break even. There. 100 lots. $10k risk. Back to base 46,000. Let's recover the equity. Recovering the equity first. So the XY is dismantling already, which will show also this goes above the IOFED. Let's buy it here. When this pushes above, this will go until to this target Fibonacci level. Wants to go above. Hmm. So this is kicking ass. It is not going lower. You have a target here, fell short of this target. Might want to revisit first premium. Before going lower or waiting for the news was at 10 o'clock. Did not push too much higher. $81,000. Right. There's a volume imbalance here on the weekly. So let's wait until it arrives there. I'm going to load it. There's a no wick here. Need to buy some equity. Okay. Break even. 50 lots. Too short of a stop loss. Let's sell some inside this volume imbalance. I'd want to revisit it there in the middle and in the upper bound. Okay. $41K, 59. Really not cooperating for the downside. Now it reaches objective closely. So the macro 10, 10, 10. To put some equity back. No, it just stuck there. Reduce the risk. There's this order block. So we are at 14. Another 10,000. It's low resistance. Slowly going down. So 8K. Let's put some profits back. So 10K. 12. I'm expecting a big drop now. At least here. It's pushing higher. So equity is 10k roughly, so cannot afford to lose this trade, or we'll call it a day. One, 1.5. Half. So we arrived to this target. And in terms of, this is based on this leg here. So we did this leg already. I want to retouch it again. Yeah. Might want to do a SMT with, well, this is lowering. So 11k. Let's reduce some risk. Yes, it's lowering. Okay. We are talking. Okay. Five. Part of this volume imbalance is done and achieve the target. So we are break even. But this might go higher now. So start buying at this level. Might revisit the premium before going lower. 10k risk there. There's a yes target down here. So the XY is already coming back. So let's push it when it just goes above 50% of this range. 10k risk, 11. Okay, so let's wait now. Buying those stops. So there's buy stops over there. Taking some profits while this goes higher. 18,000. 30. It's showing some signs of inverting. Hopefully, let's see. It's meandering around this level, not wanting to go above. Body's staying inside this level. Same as was here, then just did a leg up, which is something like this. There. So in theory, unless you want to dive a little bit, 5 vandals. Yeah, did not reach my stop. There, it's already pumping higher. So here we have 10 handles from this level. Yeah, I did grab the stops. Buy it again. Might want to revisit that level below. No, I went. So, risking the balance. It's almost there at this target. Might want to grab some buy stops before going lower on Nasdaq. Anyway, reducing the risk. Yeah, it's good to do a final push. Maybe not. I think not. Yeah, it's already creating a pivot. Buying those stops. I need a sign, a show of interest on moving higher. Build some equity from the lows. So I reached the 25% level. See another thing. So we have by quadrants, we have okay. I should expect it to move higher now. The XY is just turning, going down, which allows ES and currencies to push higher above this buy side. Okay, let's buy it. Right. So we had a pump. So we recouped some equity. Still plenty to go. $10K. Yeah. This might want to come above to this level. At least somewhere around here for the buy stops. Run. XY is still going lower, might challenge this low. So 3 Indian patterns, 1, 2, 3, and then down. There's the volume imbalance over there. There. This is keeping pushing forward. I'm not liking it. I did the job already. Well, it will push higher, in fact. So this wants to go down there. Let's bet 5k. It's going down 21k. Recoup some of these levels. Equity 15. Balance. So now we have a position of 35 lots to push it really high. There. Take advantage of the squeeze. There. Break even. 10,000. Put some profits. There. Account balance 18. Needs to reach at least above. Oh, let's buy when it goes down. Below this week. There. Stop around here. So 2,000. There. Break even. Let's see if this stops holds. So we are at 21k. Wait, 35,000. In equity and pushing higher for. Let's do something to see. So where do we have 50%? 50% is around here, so it should at least arrive there. Let's see if we can hold this volume, this fair value gap as a breakaway. 1 minute. I side imbalance. So this is middle threshold. Sorry, consequent encroachment. So I'll put my stop there and keep on buying. 10,000 out of 21, so we still have half to do another trade. When it goes above, stop goes below this wick, or even can just below. So it's a breakaway gap, 32k, right? So we are recouping completely. So this level comes at 14,785, 8550. Let's bag some profits just in case. 26, 8,000, 9,000 PNL, moving higher. It might even want to reach this buy side. There. If it keeps open. Let's buy some more. There, start to break even. 11,000 profits. Let's put some profits over there and over there. Below the order block for 1,000 profits. 32. Just going lower. And let's reach 30K. Right, so let's buy some more when it goes down. There. Might want to revisit the lows. Once it arrives here, retrace until this fair value gap. Okay. Need to buy more inside this fair value gap. So let's remove trade. Let's buy inside. Let's buy inside this fair value gap. There. This is for the buying. So when it retraces, fills the gap partially or as a whole, stop loss goes below here, so it's unless it just does want to skip that. Let's see what happens. Might want to skip because I feel this one, and in NQ is not wanting to do the same. So this thing is going higher already. It seems so. Let's buy here, there. Okay, 14. I'm too loaded. Should have waited to sell it at that level. they did not buy, did not fill the fair value gap for the buy. So yeah, this wants to just push higher. So let's keep on buying until they reach this level. Goodness, it's too much. I'm too loaded. Was too loaded. $6,000 balance. Now wants to revisit the fair value gap. So should I have been waiting? I would have been selling and buying here, going higher. There. Now it will just push higher. It's 10:37. It will most probably engage at 45. Recouping some equity. So we did already one intent inside this. Might do it again, at least at this level. So I buy some more and buy some more there. While this drops, it might even go a little bit outside, come back. So let's buy at this order block. Let's buy the retracement. Now, it'd be nice to have a nice push. So we are to, okay, 10K. Need to put something in the bag. We are 20K again. Stock almost to break even. So let's risk 10K. There. See if he wants to revisit the fair value gap or just wants to keep on moving higher. We are with 45 lots, and then we have 26 handles to run. Let's do some risky thing. Let's hope it does not reach for the stops below here, so that we can keep on buying. And let's put some in the bag, this level. Oh, it's turning back to me again. He holds the level. He's holding the level, so this is an order block. If he creates a second one, these stops will be triggered. Yeah. It was really happy. Really happy. There. Now. To build some equity again. Waiting for the push. This is 1042, so it will just bump there in no time. So let's buy. This is the 50% level. There. Okay, nice. Let's push. Break even. Let's put some in the bag. This level. There. Break even. So let's recoup this thing all together. And so we have OD. Let's buy when it drops. And wait for an immediate rebalance of the candle. There. A little bit below this constant encroachment of this wick, and below the order block. This is where I want to go out. Let's risk 10k again. Yeah, it's touching this buy side liquidity. It just breached it. Okay, let's buy some more. 10,000 in risk, more or less. So below this week. Okay, make some profits. Recouping this equity when it reaches here. Stock to break even. Bagging. Putting in the bag. There. Just pushing higher. There. We are almost 50k. Right. So it was nice. Let's buy. Buy. Risk 10k again. It will come back to here. Buy. So 32. We were closer to 50. 32, 24. Let's reduce some risk. And now buy. The XY is pushing higher. Yeah, this wants to go down again. Might want to go down in a speedily manner. So this is OTE. If it dives, we're talking about 34. So let's forget the upper target. So just reached above this volume imbalance, rejected. Now it's going lower. Might want to revisit these levels before dropping. Yeah. Mention to this fair value gap to be revisited once again. There. So 24, 23. If this arrives here, it's 24. Buy some more. Tight stop. Buy here. Buy there. Weeks through, but did not got out. So now needs to go down here, and this might even touch the lower bound of the fair value gap since we are bearish. So nice. So I keep on buying, selling. I mean, 2K risk now with the 50 lot. Reducing risk. 5K PNL. 31. Let's bag some profits. Nice. Make some profits. So better than break even. Okay, no worries. Tight over stop loss. So just wait. So this is power of 3 applied to this candle. Let's wait and see what happens. There. Really 10, 15. So now I think we'll see the drop. The macro will search for liquidity. So let's try to push it down here and then just put some more on the steam. 40K, so recouping equity. I think this will give a stronger push to the lower side now because we are at macro times. So it's 10, 50 macro, 47, so we are recouping equity again. 45. Let's sell here. And allow this to arrive here if it is possible. So now we are at break even. There. Contemplating this week. What a strong push. Break even. Just sold some more. 70 lots. 42, 7k profit. Let's put something in the bag if it allows us. It will. So yes, it's inside this fair value gap again. This is the triggering point for the upside. Putting some profits in the bag. Do not want to risk it all. It's actually not touching. Now it might want to go now. There, it's doing it. So 50, more or less break even. Yeah, so we got stopped out. I think I might want to pump for the upside, unless this. Let's buy some candles and see. Buy some time. Only 20 as an experiment. 5k risk. Yeah, I think this will go lower. So we have, okay, this is SMT divergence. On Nasdaq, let's see if it is confirming by ES. Now it seems to want to go higher. So if it takes this level and ES dips also, then we are going lower. If not, there's an SMT divergence here, more or less there. And here on the bodies. So let's see what ES wants to do. Let's wait. No wick is normally indicative for the downside. So let's sell here. I think let's see if those equalize will be triggered. Okay, reducing, want to sell some more above. So we have a small eye of it here. Seems so. These wicks, these so-called mohawks, as per ICT. Try to push it lower. Well, I do not push anything. The market does it by itself. there's an algo there, so I do not do anything. I just follow price. So this is going lower. This might want to revisit there. It's tricky. Let's go to the upside. I think he wants to cause a SMT divergence between ES and Nasdaq, as explained. So there would be the selling, 11k in risk out of 32, so we had a good profit and then we gave it away, and now we are recouping equity 32. So at these levels we would have recouped it. If it wants to go to the 71% again, which I doubt, so it might want to revisit a premium here. My goodness, can see nothing. Yeah, it's diving inside this fair value gap. There. So I mentioned this is institutional order flow entry drill. There, 1, 2, 3, 3 times attempted to go above, failed, and now is moving lower, while the XY just stopped going down. Well, up, down, 15-minute candle. Okay. Well, it's being not easy today. It's not easy. Another institutional order flow entry drill, which does not help. So what do we have here? Yeah, SMT on the lows. Let's buy some more time. And go to the upside. Yes, it's already skyrocketing. But NQ is being held. Now it's being released. Okay, so what do we have here? 11. So it's looking for liquidity, fast and furious. There's the liquidity. Go and get it. Go and get it. Go and get it. By all means, go and get it. You wish. So in terms of retail, this is like head and shoulder. So might want to revisit here, trick people, and then go higher. So first down, it's going higher. Be the other shoulder, I would say. Let's buy some more. Mean sell. So now let's buy at this level, and then take the stops until we fill this fair value gap, and then buy it below here at these levels, and then push it higher. So the plan is going down, profit, buy those sell stops, go out of this trade, and then wait, then buy it down below here or there at this order block. There's no small imbalance here on this 1 minute. Yeah, it's doing that. So reduce some risk and sell some more. 10k risk. Okay, above this. Yeah, so it's doing that. So let's wait until it drops to this sell stops. $13. Too much. Here it created a fair value gap. It's trying to push higher, but it will reject. We'll go until this level, possibly retouch here, and then move higher, while NQ might just try to buy these sell stops. So let's see. Wait. So this consolidation is painful. 15k. So we need to start also pegging some profits along the way. There, 20k. We have 2k. Need to put some profits, or the trade is over. So there's an IO Fed over there that came up to here, showing some rejection signs. Okay. Does it want to push it higher now? I bet it still wants to go down to take these sell stops. Let's wait and see. Buy. There. So it's already diving. Volume imbalance there. So it's acting as resistance, which is not good. While ES is still there, stagnant. Might push lower, and Nasdaq will follow. So we have this volume imbalance there. So we got it. So let's reduce risk. Now I want to see these sell stops bought. Put some profits. Reduce risk. 10k above. So we are maximizing this trade with 80 lots. Let's buy also these stops there. So we 2,000, 3,000. Let's put some bags, some profits. Okay. Nice. So Let's put some more in the pocket. Let's take the advantage that we are break even now to, like this, to sell some more. Okay. Buy. Nice. Let's buy those sell stops. Break even. 28. 10k is waiting for you. And then let's buy here and there and there. Put a stop there. So it's not cooperating. Let's put some profits before our stop is reached. So let's put it break even exactly. Yeah. Okay, I want to see it buy these sell stops there below. Now buying. Want to see it push a little bit lower. There. So let's see. Great. So now be pushing it above this level. There, 3k. Put back in some profits, but want to buy some more while it goes up. So 30 plus 30 is 60, and we would be at the end of the trading session, which could be just 2 or 3 minutes from the start, and we are stuck in this range trying to recoup initial balance and equity and so on. My goodness. Yeah, I'm not liking how it is behaving. So this is already skyrocketing. Pivoting here, possibly allowing for Nasdaq to pivot also there, or it wants to drop down below here. Anyway, 1000. Let's reduce some risk. It's too slow, so let's buy when it goes above this level. Let's buy on strength. Buying on strength. Buying on strength. Yeah, we are okay with risk. So let's buy some more there. 10k. So enough. Then sell for little profit. Keep it moving. So it opened there almost equal to this. So this is just my stops. Might want to buy these consequent encroachments. We see 14, 25. Let's try to buy there. Okay, we are selling. Good, so that we can buy more. Let's put a stop below this wick. I do not want to buy any more above. 5K. There. Where's the consequent encroachment? Great. So I bought it here on this consequent encroachment. And then let's see. Yeah, it's already wanting to go higher again. There's no volume imbalance here, so we bought it inside this fair value gap. So let's buy some more. This is some minor profit. If you just want to institutional order flow entry drill again here. This is a mohawk. Let's see if you want just to erase this from the map. Still playing around with this level. Not too heavy on. I think. Yeah, I took these high stops and now is need to remove some risk by selling. So I'll be selling. Probably selling in profit, but I think I'm too loaded. There. Now push it higher. It's going for the sell stops. Forget about that, it's not doing it. So this thing wants to go lower, definitely. Yeah. Wants to revisit these lows and keep on going. So we had here immediate rebalance, went lower, touched lower, came back, and is pushing lower now. This is an order block, possibly make two of them. And no, it's just one, like the 1 minute order block. So let's do like this, reducing risk and selling some more there. 8,000. Some more here. So this was it a market structure shift? Let's see, wait and see. No, it was not. This thing wants to dive deeper. Yeah. So the original plan was to buy those buy stops after this, and then this is the head and shoulder. So instead of going lower, this might want to go higher. And trick everybody. There. Okay. It's already showing some signs of 11:18. There's a shift in the macro, so I need to watch out. So 18 is here, 17, 18. So let's reduce some risk until he shows what he wants to do. 18. I might also want to go up. So 15 seconds. So 10, 9. So it's for the upside, it seems. Let's put that break even. 3, 1, 18. So selling, losing some risk. This time of day it's 11, 18 is tricky. So, but I think it wants to shift the market. So this is going higher, or it seems so. It's just collecting buy side to go lower, and this wants to go higher. So let's buy. Let's buy near this order block. There. And then see if they do not want to take this sell side. But this is the OTE, so basically we are from there. We are at the 79% level there, so let's put some more buying down below. This is not the fair value gap, so it's to be suspected here. No fair value gap on this macro behavior. So let's buy and then wait until it starts pushing higher there. So, and normally it's at 20, 11, 20. So between this, so this is okay. 1, 2, 3. Up, down, order block. It's reducing some risk. It's tricky behavior. Let's see if we can get above this wick and buy on strength there. Buy on strength. Nice. So now we are let's keep pushing lower. So 11:20. Yeah, I want to go to the sell side. Based on the XY, it's risk off. So let's just edit just some IO institutional order flow anti-drill. No fair value gap, so we need to bet on the lower side of the market. Okay, let's risk the 10k by moving lower. There. I want to stop in a different placement. So let's just buy, reduce, and have it somewhere around here. I was right. It really wants to go higher. Level 25 is a second moment for things to happen. 24 can also do. So let's reduce the risk. Yeah, I think this thing wants to dive. Showing all sorts of signs that it wants to dive. There, no wick candle, almost no wick. Creating an order block from the upside and then breaking these two. Breaking, causing sell side, then causing sell side, and then just dismantling this thing until it reaches the lower bound of the volume imbalance on the daily. Okay. Let's start thinking on booking some profits. There. There. To balance this equity. Cannot buy more. Too long already in this trade. Yeah, this is a highly low probability day. Going lower. Okay. There. Okay. So 17. Now I told you 11, 24 starts to create a candle that might break the image of this NQ. Bagging profits. So let's see how it wants to dive there. Now put my stop there, buy some more. Sorry, sell. I mean sell. So we are 19. Okay. It's just diving. Now it starts to dive, so 11.25. Unless it wants to pivot. In this case I'm protected with this stop. Yeah. See if it wants to pivot. Or just wants to go lower. Yes, it's really diving there. So we'll just put a stop over there and then enjoy the ride. Let's wait until it dives there. There's a fair value gap here, a tiny, this is a sort of a breakaway gap so far, just a tiny bit inside. Stop goes there, so we can sell some more. Okay, this level. Like this shivering. This is arriving at his sell side liquidity, and NQ is staying put. I want to take some of these buy stops or do another mohawk. So this was a IOFED that which actually it was not, no fair value gap inside there. It's not an IOFED. Okay, let's trust this institutional order flow anti-drill and go lower, risking 10k. So we take some profits around here, which is one constant encroachment of this week, another one there. So making some profits. There. So this took the sell side already, and now NQ is ready for the sell side. Intense. 25. Okay. So 5k in. Let's sell some more. Want to see this thing dive deeper here. My goodness. Removing some risk. Really took that, so if I had my full position drawn, so stop to break even. Let's see how this wants to dive or not. So this keeps going lower and wants to complete this daily volume imbalance. So let's remove this and check one sync, which is okay. So there's a sell side there. Let's see how it behaves by arriving at that sell side. There, let's bag that. and a little bit. So 25, 20 handles there. Let's put a risk on the 100 lots. 7k profit. Let's put some profits inside. $34. Let's push it. Wow. Okay. Yeah, wants to come here again. Let's see if it wants to then dive deeper. It's reacting to this bump and did not go through. It's doing a fair value gap, so we might need to change direction. If yeah, let's change direction. We just change direction. Should have bought inside the fair value gap, not there above. There is a buy side imbalance on the 1 minute. So trusting that if it wants to go up, my stop is protected down below. So whatever it does, okay, is allowing me to take some profits to buy inside here. Okay, there. Oh. Yes, so it might be a 30-second fair value gap somewhere inside here. There's a small tiny fair value gap which is meaningless, and then we are seeing it pump, so we'll buy some more, trust the consequent encouragement of this. Need to do some profits. Let's buy at this level. Okay, 15. So let's sell. I think this wants to go lower still, but it's following this consequent encroachments. So let's buy inside this inversion fair value gap here. Potential inversion on the 1 minute. Let's buy there. Buy inside here. So buy also inside this fair value gap. Stop again below this. Okay. I did want to try this one or stay open. So we did a huge fair value gap on the NQ, so although it's not doing the same on ES, it might point towards the highs. So this is a 1 minute buy side imbalance. There it's moving higher, so we are at shifting before lunch. So this is the lunch macro, and it will go for the stops above, which is this above there. So we reached a quarter, stayed a quarter, so we bet that at least above. Let's buy some more because we still have some room if this stays open. If not, we'll get stopped out. There, 60k, 60 lots. I want this to pump immediately above here. So we're stalling at the consequent encroachment of this inversion fair value gap potential. There. So we need to bag some profits. We are at 8k P&L, so it does not make sense to see this returning home with us cashing something. There's a tiny imbalance, so I want to remove some profits there. Okay, stop goes to nail the 7k. See if it wants to reach here and there. It looks like it wants. Now there's 50k. If we keep this till the very end, 25, but we need to put some of these profits inside, so just reducing some risk. It seems to want to come well above. So same with this one. Okay, let it just roll. There's 2k. That will 5k there. So we are at 30k. So let's bag another 10. And then buy some more. Sell. Yeah, buy. So, well, I feel secure to have my stop somewhere around here, below this inversion fair value gap. If he wants to treat it as such, we still have this order block there, just touch there. So, to buy something there. Okay. Great, so let's see if he wants to push it higher or just want to revisit this buy-side imbalance to go higher, but it does not seem so because he needs to go through this order block. But let's see. So it's moving higher, so let's bag some profits and to buy lower if it's needed. Yeah, wants to come here. Middle threshold. Respected. So let's see. Went above, below, rejected here. So it's acting as an inversion or not. bearish inversion in this case. I think not, because it's supporting here at this order block. The XY is pushing higher, so I think we saw short-term top. Yeah, might want to revisit down below. Might this be, oh my god. Really? Yeah, so either acts as resistance now, really tricky day. So we have the XY rejecting at this order block, then we are seeing NQ just pushing higher, returning to the fair value gap, and wants to just skyrocket to get the buy side before lunch. So 19. Let's put some of this 5K in the bag. There and there. Okay. So we are at 15. 15 balance. Putting some profits. There. Want not to see this fair value gap breached. It's doing so as I speak. Yeah. Got some more orders. Now pushing higher. There. 10K risk. The XY is behaving in a way, so I need to put some of this in equity to keep sourcing this endeavor, which is basically taking too long. So now we have a clear order block, bullish order block before pushing it higher. So let's just risk 10K right here. Did a little bit too much. Okay, now it's at 10K, so 42. This was the previous buy side before dumping. Yeah, it's not in favor today. So cannot go bigger than 10 contracts now. At this level we have basically 5 trades to do. But it's clearly now pushing lower. bag some profits. Bagging, okay, putting some profits. Now buying for the push higher. So this is it. If it takes our stop, we stop. If not, we continue. Yeah. It's going for this inversion fair value gap at the 1 minute. We have 60 there. There. So done. Another 50k day loss. So a very tough day. We started with 65, so 15k profit, and it returned a 50k negative. So